Good afternoon. I welcome you all to this class of Introduction to Computer Networks in Diploma in Computer Networks and Technician. So let's look at the learning objectives. So at this lesson, at the end of the lesson, I expect you to understand about the followings. Understand the basic components of a computer network, which includes devices such as routers, switches, and servers. Then the second objective, need to explain the different types of computer networks, such as LAN, WANs, and MANs. Then the third objective is to identify the protocols and standards that govern how data is transmitted across a network, such as TCP or IP and Ethernet. Then the fourth objective, it is to describe the various topologies that can be used to connect devices in a network, such as star, bus, and mesh. The fifth objective is to troubleshoot common network issues and perform basic network configurations. Now, let's talk about the definitions of computer networks. The first one, when we talk about computer networks, a computer network can be defined as a system of interconnected devices. What are these devices which we are talking about? We are talking about computers, servers, routers, and switches that communicate with each other to share resources and information. The second definition, a computer network is a group of connected computers that share data with each other. So these are some of the definitions of computer networks, where we are talking about a group of connected computers. So you can connect computers, like you put computers, then you can connect them. Now, how can you connect them? It's either you can connect them using wired network or wireless network, so that you can share information or share data. Now, let's look at an example of a wired network. So we have a wired network here, whereby here we have a router. Okay. Then on this router, we see that there are now cables from the router connected to computers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 computers. So this is a wired network whereby now a router is being connected to different computers using cables. Okay. All right. Now, let's talk about a wireless networking. Now, a wireless networking is where now you connect your computers without using cables. As you can see here, you will find that we have two computers, two laptops, but they are not connected using wires or using cables. Okay. All right. Now, let's move on to another important topic. We're going to talk about the importance of computer networks in today's world. The first one, it is to facilitate communication. Okay. So computer networks allows individuals and organizations to communicate effectively and efficiently, whether it's sending an email, sharing a file, or conducting a video conference. Computer networks enables seamless communication across different locations. So this is the one of the most important uh, one of the most importance of computer networks. It facilitates communication. Okay, you can imagine whereby you are here in Zambia, then you want to communicate to someone who is in Europe. So by the use of computer networks, you are able to communicate with someone who is in Europe because of the computer networks. Okay, you can communicate using email, okay, sharing files, by using different platforms. So it facilitates, communication. You can use WhatsApp. So these computer networks, it facilitates communication across the world. Okay, now let's talk about also another importance of computer networks in today's world. It enable collaboration. Okay, now in today's global economy, collaboration is key to success. No man is an island. So in order for us to success, there is need of collaboration. Okay, so computer networks makes it easy for team members to collaborate on projects, share ideas, and work together regardless of their physical location. Now, this is a situation whereby we have a project. Now, we are working with people that are in different areas, different locations, like in Kasempa, Kalao, Kawe, Chirui, Mpolokoso. So how do we collaborate as a team? We can now collaborate by using computer networks, where we can come up with a group, like a WhatsApp group, where we can collaborate and share ideas, or we can come up with a meeting, like Zoom meeting, or using Google Meet. We collaborate, we share ideas. Okay, so we can use all those things. So now, this computer networks, it helps us to collaborate with people who are located in different parts of the world. Okay, now let us also look at another importance of computer networks in today's world. It is there's access to information. Okay, now with computer networks, individuals have access to a vast amount of information at their fingertips. Whether it's browsing the internet, accessing online resources, or sharing knowledge, computer networks make information readily available. So by the use of computer networks, we are able to access information. Whatever is happening in the world, we are able to know by using the computer networks. Okay, so what is happening in America, even here in Zambia, we're able to know. What happened in Dubai about the rainfall, even in Zambia, we came to know that the rainfall which rained in 2 days, it is equivalent to about 2 years. So we came to know that information by the use of computer networks. So with the use of computer networks, we are able to access information. You can even get jobs in America by using computer networks, you can access that information because of the use of computer networks. Even when there are business opportunities, we are able to access information through the use of computer networks. All right, let us also talk about other importance of computer networks in today's world. It increases productivity. Okay, so by streaming communication and enabling collaboration, computer networks help increase productivity in both businesses and individuals. So tasks can be completed more efficiently, deadlines can be met more effectively, and overall productivity is enhanced. So with the use of computer networks, you find that there is increased productivity. Why? Because when you have the products, you will find that you'll be able to sell your products within a short period of time. Okay, for example, this is a company, a center for e-learning, where we produce books. Okay, so because of the use of computer networks, we are able to advertise our books that we produce throughout the world. We use digital marketing to do marketing. And you find that within a short period of time, people will come and buy. The more they buy, the more we produce. So this computer network, it helps us to increase productivity. Okay. Then another thing, it enhances security. So computer networks also play a crucial role in enhancing security. With the right security measures in place, networks can protect sensitive data, prevent unauthorized access, and ensure the privacy of individuals and organizations. So by the use of computer networks, it improves security in our devices. Okay, because this network now, it will help us to protect sensitive data, and it also prevent people to have access of our information without our knowledge or our consent. So it really plays a vital role. Now, in conclusion, computer networks are the backbone of modern communication, collaboration, and connectivity. By enabling seamless information sharing, resource access, and global interaction, computer networks have revolutionized the way we live, work, and connect with others in today's interconnected world. Embracing the power of computer networks is key to stay connected, productive, and engaged in the digital age. Thank you.